mob. All of us here in this venue will dance for our couple using only 4 steps. Ang inyong lamang gagawin ay gagayahin ako, okay? For our first step, everybody clap your hands. Dali! Yan. Okay, clapping. Second step, ladies and gentlemen, will be circle, 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 circle. Meaning that the world is round, but we wish our couple to always be at the top of their lives. Next one is waksi, 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 waksi. That's our third step. And last step, clapping but in quarters. Okay? Clapping, 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 clapping. Using those 4 steps, yun pong ating gagamitin para sa ating flash mob. We guys perhaps will award the best dancer. Baka magbigay yung ating couple ng 1 million pesos. Tignan po natin later on. Mr. DJ, music! Hey, everybody clap your hands, come on! Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Ha! 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 Yeah! Okay! Let's go! 1, 2, circle! Yeah! Yeah! Circle! Yeah! Waksi, waksi, everybody! Ha! 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 Yeah!
What you want to
our prosperity dance. Habang sumasiri ang ating couple, pwede na po natin iabot ang ating mga regalo sa kanila. Ladies and gents, this is the prosperity dance.